Hey everybody, it's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. It's been a couple days since I've done a video, but I've just been busy with a lot of work going on, guys. God, just tons of projects right now. It's unbelievable the amounts of work that's out there, man. If you guys are in this field of construction or remodeling or plumbing or electrician or whatever it is your trade is, of being in the home improvement business or home property maintenance business, hell, even if you're a handyman, get on Craigslist, get out there, make some money. Guys, there's so much work out there, it's unbelievable. It was the best decision I made going into this field because I love what I do, and just happens to be that I love tools so much. Anyways, guys, I showed you a couple days ago, I picked up that new Makita XDT, is the 1516, it's the compact brushless model impact driver, the small one. But I also was in Home Depot, and they just happened to have another special buy. So you know what? I just couldn't help myself, but the price was too good to be true. And plus, I was looking for another battery to add to my Makita lineup. So I was looking at a 3-amp-hour battery, and it was $99 for a 3-amp. I think they might be out of inventory, but they have a special right now at Home Depot. It's 2 3-amps for $99, or obviously when that special buy is over, a 1 3-amp-hour battery is $99. So I'm walking by and I see this small end cap, and keep in mind, guys, I told you guys plenty of times, when the special buy inventory is out, that's it. There is no more. The inventory is done. That's it. They don't get reshipments of it in. Again, that's it, guys. It's over with. So anyway, so I'm in there and I find this awesome ass deal on the XDT13. I took the 2-amp-hour battery off of my other one, and I put the 3-amp. I'm using my other one right now on a project. So I put the 2-amp-hour on this one. Obviously, Makita's batteries are compatible with all their new brushless model tools, and I believe brush versions too. So this is the Makita XDT13 Impact Brushless Impact Driver. This one does not have any of the modes like the other one does. The other one's got 3 different options for different modes to turn this into. This is a single speed variable trigger. So it's got a low, medium, and fast speed. It does have an LED light in the front. It is still small, guys. It's very compact. It's rated at 3,600 impacts per minute. Its smaller predecessor is rated at 3,900 impacts per minute. RPM-wise, it runs at 3,400 RPMs per minute. I mean, guys, this is just, Makita's, they've wowed me once again, man. It's just something about their tools that I'm just starting to fall in love with. Listen, guys, I picked up some Milwaukees, and the Milwaukees are really small too, like the Gen 3, the Fuel M18. I don't know. I will be jumping on the Milwaukee bandwagon here soon, guys. I promise. It's just a matter of time. But again, like I said, I just got into the Makita lineup, and I just wanted another battery, and I happened to pick this up for $99. It came with a 3-amp-hour battery. Came with this awesome small little bag to match it. And also came with the Makita's wonderful Christmas light charger, and this is their model DC18SD. So I mean, guys, right off the rip, I mean, you're looking value wise, I mean, this is probably, with the battery, I mean, it's about a $250, almost $250 value. I mean, guys, for $99, that's it. They do these special buys, I tell you guys before, to market their products, to get people to buy into their lineup. So that way, once you get into the Makita lineup, you buy one of their tools at a special buy price, you start wanting to buy more because you want to start adding to the lineup and start getting other accessories and different things for it. So you're almost, it's such a great marketing tactic because it allows the consumer to want to buy more stuff, guys. So anyways, back to where we were about the Makita XDT13. It's got a nice clip, very, very nice. It's super, super lightweight. The one thing I like on this one better, it does have the auto load chuck. It's smaller. The newer model doesn't have that. I also picked up this Makita Super Magnet. Can you guys get a look at that? It's the Super Magnet for its hex bits. What it does is obviously you guys know, you put a screw on it, it magnetizes it. That way you get a nice clean flush. It gives you stability when you're driving the screw in. It's a really, really nice feature, guys. Ooh, that one looks like it's stripped, actually. I've been driving hella screws in, guys, just testing out all my tools. Wow, that's a no-go too. I'm starting to think that this bit's probably done. I mean, it's one thing, guys, I've learned with tools too is to buy better bits. Don't buy cheap ones. They tend not to last. They tend to go a lot quicker than spending a little extra money on a better product, which I've come to realize is very, very important. So spend a little extra money, get yourself a better kit, and you can't go wrong. Some of Ryobi's kits, obviously you can see in here, I've got a Ryobi bit on here. I just picked up, I'll have to show you guys that in another video. I just picked up Makita's one of their new sets, which are really, really nice. But for the meantime, this is what I'm working with right now. Let me see if I got another bit I can use for the time being. Let's see here. Cool. A lot of people say they don't like Ryobi's bits. I do. I think they work great. I think they're great products. It's just really what it boils down to, guys, is preference. A lot of people don't like Ryobi's stuff, obviously because they tend to think it's a lower end brand. I've said this a million times before, guys. Ryobi's brushless lineup costs just as much as the big dogs. Okay, I paid $99. It came with a 3 amp hour battery and it came with a charger. You can't even get a brushless impact with Ryobi with a battery and all that at all, unless you get its brushless impact driver, this is $129. It comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. Unfortunately, I'm very disappointed, Ryobi, in this product. It couldn't even mix mud today with a pretty big mixer handle on it. It started overheating and it just shut off. I mean, this will be my third one I'm going to exchange for tomorrow, so I'm pretty pissed. I'm pretty upset about that. I don't know why. It shouldn't be doing that. My baby DeWalt brush model had no problem mixing that mud, and this is not even rated anywhere near the amount of RPMs that puts out. Okay, so I don't know. Anyways, guys, so right back into it. Let's see if I can get one of these screws out here. I mean, this thing, guys, has some power. This thing is pretty serious, man. Even a 3.5 inch screw. nice, smooth. I like it, man. It's very, very smooth product. It gets the job done. It's very, very quick. I will say that. It's definitely something that's worth the money, and it makes me want to go into the lineup of Makita. I'm very impressed with their tools so far, guys. They're very, very lightweight. They pack a serious punch. It's amazing how something so little can put out so much power, guys. And it's like I told you before, I just really, let me get off the subject of Makita real quick, because I'm a big Ryobi fan. I'm so excited to see Ryobi's new products that are coming out very soon. I guarantee you we can expect a very compact, brushless impact driver. I guarantee you right now, guys, by the end of this year, if not beginning of next year, we're going to see a whole new lineup from Ryobi that's just going to blow away Ryobi fans. It's going to put contractors and people that don't believe in Ryobi on a whole nother level. And they're going to really mark their place in the market for contracted great tools. I really believe that because I use them on a daily basis. I am a professional. I use them every single day. I use my DeWalt tools, but my Ryobi tools are always in my bag and they always get the job done. I have a pretty big bolt here. I'm gonna see. I've got a pre-drilled hole here, so I don't know if this is gonna. Let's just see. Let's see what this bad boy can do real fast. I'm tempted to see if this thing can drive anything into the wall. So, we're going to take a DeWalt bit. We're going to pop it in here into my impact braided adapter. And we're going to see what this thing can do. I mean, guys, like butter, you know what I mean? I mean, guys, this thing is just freaking awesome, man. This thing has got so much freaking power. Let's see that one more time. And I'm not pushing on the tool. I'm putting very minimal pressure. And I mean, this is a pretty nice sized bolt, guys. It's pretty thick. It doesn't even have a so I mean, you do. This was just a small. I didn't even pre-drill the hole, guys. I just popped a small little hole with this screw in it, just to let the head sit in here, and the impact put this bad boy right through the wood, man. So, what does that tell you, guys? Huh? I highly suggest you get to Home Depot, put a little money into it. If you like Makita. If you've never used Makita before, I highly recommend their tools, guys. I think they're great. They really get the job done, you know, and it just amazes me. Like I said again, how tiny these tools are, and it just, you know, this thing. Let's see here. Oh, the head's too small. Go figure. It is what it is. I'll do some more, guys. I'll do more testing on another date. This was more of just wanting to show you guys Makita's lineup, what they have to offer. Nice release battery system that I like. Their batteries are very lightweight. Even this is only a 2 amp hour battery. It's pretty small and compact for a 2 amp hour battery. Even the 3 amp doesn't weigh much more than the 2 amp, guys. So again, you're getting a great buy, man. Again, this is the XDT13 Makita Impact Driver. It's built well. The head on here is all metal. It's got nice rubber framing. It feels really good in the hand. The trigger is very smooth, guys, and I've pulled a lot of triggers in my day. It does feel nice. I saw this bit off of what is it, VCG, very cool guys, constructions. I saw one of their videos, and Vince was showing this cool Makita super magnet. He was trying it out at a bunch of different hex bits to see what models it fits. And so far it's fit the DeWalt ones, it's fit Ryobi ones, it's fit all the ones I've tried so far, guys. I've got a couple. All my tools are now at a job site. I bought a couple Makita kits too for the Impact and for their stuff as well too. But you know, guys, for the price, $99, comes with a 3 amp hour battery, comes with this wonderful Impact here. You know, even if you're just into tools, guys, tools hold their value very well. And the reason being is because, like I said this before, imagine your guys that are your DIY guys, do it yourself. They use, you know, smaller end brands like Black & Decker. If you want to throw Ryobi in there, whatever. Like I said, I've got Ryobi tools that cost more than Milwaukee, and their tools are very expensive too, guys. They're very good products. You know, to be able to buy a nice brushless tool from a premium brand, it gets them excited, man. It shows that it's affordable just for your average person too. You don't have to be a professional to buy their products, guys. So I highly recommend this XDT13. It gets a thumbs up from me. If you want to see this tool in action against its brother, the compact one, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to my channel again, guys. I'm going to be sending out gear to any new fans that are coming my way of my product line, Longevity. You know what that word stands for. Just look it up in the dictionary, and that's the definition of everything of what my brand represents, guys. I've got tons of projects in the works that I can't wait to show you guys and add the projects to my channel from start to finish. I can't wait to keep showing off all my new tools and showing you guys how these things work and showing you what these bad boys can do. I've been working on a lot of videos, guys, of tools in the field. I've been talking a lot about my tools being used in the field. Well, guess what? I've got some videos launching this week and next week of those tools being used in the field. That's what it's all about, guys. Can the tools get the job done? That's what matters. That is what really matters. Can they get the job done? So I want to thank you guys all again. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to write something in the comments below, let me know what tools you want to see go head to head against each other. Again, I got another video going up tomorrow of a new tool that I just picked up as well. I'm not going to tell you what that is yet, but keep your eyes out, keep your eyes peeled, because guess what? Tomorrow, it's all going to be about the new tool I just picked up. Thanks again, guys. It's Chris from Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. And I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.